हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू द मैथ चैनल। हमने एक्सरसाइज 10.1 के कुछ क्वेश्चंस कर लिए थे। अब जो आपकी आर डी शर्मा बुक है उसमें एक्सरसाइज के क्वेश्चंस के बाद दो कैटेगरी के क्वेश्चंस और हैं, बेस्ड ऑन लॉट्स एंड बेस्ड ऑन हॉट्स। तो इस वीडियो में हम बेस्ड ऑन लॉट्स क्वेश्चन करेंगे, लोअर ऑर्डर थिंकिंग स्किल्स वाले, राइट। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, फर्स्ट पार्ट, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta आपको प्रूव करना है। तो देखिए यहाँ पर 1 plus cos theta is same in the numerator and the denominator, और आपके पास यहाँ पर प्लस साइन थीटा है और यहाँ पर माइनस साइन थीटा है। तो आपको इस चीज को एक मानना है और इसको हम वन टर्म कंसीडर करेंगे और इसको हम सेकेंड टर्म कंसीडर करेंगे, एंड देन वी विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय द कॉन्जुगेट। सो व्हाट विल बी द कॉन्जुगेट? into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, right? So here 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta, इसका होल स्क्वायर हो गया, and here again a square minus b square, 1 plus cos theta square minus sin square theta. Now we'll expand a plus b plus c whole square. You all know, agar if you don't remember the identity, you can directly multiply it by the trinomial, by the way of multiplication of trinomial to the trinomial, right? So it will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca and upon here 1 plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta minus sin square theta. Now we'll simplify. See, this sin square theta plus cos square theta I can write as 1. So it will be 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta upon here 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. So here 2 can be taken as common, 1 plus cos theta or 2 sin theta can be taken as common. What will be left? 1 plus cos theta whole upon it is 2 cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. 1 plus cos theta whole common and 2 is also common. See, 2 plus 2 sin theta upon 2 cos theta common, 1 plus cos theta will be left. So this is cancelled and 2 will be taken as common, 1 plus sin theta upon 2 cos theta. 2 is again cancelled. Finally, it is 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to your right hand side. See, this question is in your NCERT book, and in that question you have to use the identity, but here again we'll be writing as conjugate. So this is sin theta minus, you can take common, this is cos theta minus 1, and this is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now what will be the conjugate of this? This I have considered as one term. So this will be sin theta minus cos theta minus 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta minus 1. So this is again the whole square So sin square theta plus cos theta minus 1 whole square minus 2 sin theta into cos theta minus 1. A square plus b square minus 2ab. And here a square minus b square. Now next term I will be expanding cos square theta plus 1 minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta and plus 2 sin theta whole upon sin square theta minus cos square theta plus 1 minus 2 cos theta. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is again 2, 1 and 1 is 2 minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus 2 sin theta whole upon sin square theta minus cos square theta minus 1 and plus 2 cos theta. So, see, 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. If I multiply by minus, so this will be sin square theta minus 1. So, this can be written as minus cos square theta. So, this I will be using in the denominator. Sin square theta minus 1 is again minus cos square theta. Here in the numerator 2 is taken common. 1 minus cos theta and 2 sin theta I am taking common from these two terms. So here it will be 1 minus cos theta whole upon. This is minus cos square theta and already I am having one more minus cos square theta plus 2 cos theta. In the same way, I will be taking 1 minus cos theta as common. Two plus 2 sin theta is left and here 2 cos theta I will be taking common. So 1 minus cos theta is left. See, it will be changed into minus 2 cos square theta. So minus 2 cos square theta and plus 2 cos theta. I will be taking 2 cos theta as common. So this is again cancelled. 2 into 1 plus sin theta upon 2 cos theta. So this is again cancelled. I will be separately dividing. So this is sec theta plus tan theta. But I am not having this. I am having sec theta minus tan theta. So I will be multiplying by, in the denominator it is 1, sec theta minus tan theta in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this will be sec square theta minus tan square theta upon sec theta minus tan theta. So this is the identity, sec square theta minus tan square theta, and this is 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta, that is equal to RHS. Third part of the question is exactly same as second part, only sin and cos is interchanged. So I am skipping that part. I am directly proceeding to the fourth part. So the fourth part is sin theta plus cos theta into tan theta plus cot theta. You have to prove as sec theta plus cosecant of theta. So I will be taking left hand side. मैंने आपको बताया जब आपको कुछ समझ में ना आए तो सबको साइन और कॉस में चेंज कर दीजिए. ये मैंने कर दिया. This is sin theta plus cos theta and here I will be taking LCM sin theta cos theta. Here it will be sin square theta plus cos square theta. This sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So it will be 1 upon sin theta cos theta. I will be multiplying sin theta upon sin theta cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Sin theta is cancelled, cos theta is cancelled. Finally, 1 upon cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta and 1 upon sin theta is cosecant of theta. That is equal to RHS. See, this is the question of CBSE examination 2024, and this question I believe it is in NCERT also. So in the same way as we have done in question number 34, we will be multiplying with the conjugate. We will be considering this as 1. So the conjugate will be 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta upon 1 plus sec theta minus tan theta, right? So this is again a plus b minus c whole square. So a square plus b square plus c square minus plus 2ab, 2 into a is 1 and b is sec theta plus 2bc sec theta into minus tan theta and plus 2 into minus tan theta into 1 upon. Those who don't remember the identity, you can directly multiply. Here in the denominator, a square minus b square. Now 1 plus sec square theta plus tan square theta plus 2 sec theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta minus 2 tan theta. Now, in the denominator, 1 plus sec square theta plus 2 sec theta minus tan square theta. Now, 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta, and this sec square theta will combine and it will be 2 sec square theta plus 2 sec theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta minus 2 tan theta whole upon. Here sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So 1 and 1 is 2 plus 2 sec theta. In the numerator, I will be taking 2 sec theta as common. So it will be sec theta plus 1. And here minus 2 tan theta I will be taking as common. Sec theta plus 1 upon 2 I will be taking as common. It is 1 plus sec theta. Finally, sec theta plus 1 whole common and 2 sec theta minus 2 tan theta whole upon 2 into 1 plus sec theta. So here I can take 2 as common, so I will be taking over here. So 2 and 2 is cancelled and this is cancelled. Finally, I am having sec theta minus tan theta. This I can write as 1 upon cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta. After taking LCM, 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, that is equal to RHS. See, first part, 1 plus cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A and tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A multiplied by sin A minus cos A. Multiplying as the trinomial to the binomial. So 1 will be multiplied to this sin A minus cos A and this will be multiplied cos A upon sin A multiplied by sin A and minus cos A upon sin A multiplied by cos, right? Similarly, sin A upon cos A multiplied by sin A and sin A upon cos A multiplied by minus cos A, so it will be sin A upon cos A multiplied by cos. So this is cancelled, this is cancelled. So finally sin A minus cos A plus cos A minus cos square A upon, or I can directly write cos A sin A. Cos A sin A can be written as cot A and cos A plus, here this can be written as tan A sin A and this is minus sin A. This is cancelled again, this is cancelled. Finally I have this term sin A tan A minus cos A, cot A. So this is equal to this, the third part. Now, second part I am taking sec A upon cosecant square A minus cosec A upon sec square A. Sec A can be written as 1 upon cos A, 1 upon sin square A, 1 upon sin A, 1 upon cos square A. Finally, this will be sin square A upon cos A minus cos square A upon sin A. I can write sin A cos A into sin A minus cos A upon sin A into cos A. So this is tan A sin A minus cot A cos A. So this is also equal. See, I will be directly putting the identities in the next question. This is tan cube theta upon 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta. And this is cot cube theta and this can be written as cosecant square theta. So tan cube is 1 upon, sin cube theta upon cos cube theta and sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta plus this is cos cube theta upon sin cube theta and this is 1 upon sin square theta. Sin cube theta upon cos cube theta into cos square theta plus cos cube theta upon sin cube theta into sin square theta. Here this is cancelled. Finally, I am having sin cube theta upon cos theta plus here also this is cancelled. This is cos cube theta upon sin theta. Now, after taking LCM, sin theta cos theta, it is sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta. Now, I will be writing sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta as sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta upon sin theta cos theta. This step I will be explaining to you here. Then I take sin square theta cos square plus cos square theta whole square. So this can be written as a square, a plus b whole square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is sin 4 theta plus cos 4 theta plus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. This I will be transposing over here. So I will get the same expression. Sin square theta plus cos square theta whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now our sum is solved. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 square is 1 and 2 sin square theta cos square theta whole upon sin theta cos theta. I will be dividing separately. So here this is cancelled and 1 upon sin theta can be written as cosecant of theta into sec theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So this is equal to your right hand side. See left hand side. Again we'll use the identity tan A upon this is 1 plus tan square A that is equal to sec square A and uska bhi whole square hai so it will be sec 4 of A plus cot of A upon this is again cosecant 4 of A. Change into sin and cos. Sin upon cos 1 upon cos 4A plus cot A is cos A upon sin A upon 1 upon sin 4A. Finally, sin A upon cos A multiplied by cos 4A upon 1 plus cos A upon sin A multiplied by sin 4A upon 1. So this is cancelled here, this is cancelled. finally sin a cos cube a will be left, or either cos a sin cube a will be left. I will be taking sin a cos a common in the expression. So what will be left in the bracket? Cos square a plus sin square a. Sin square a plus cos square a is 1. Finally, it is sin a cos a, that is equal to RHS. See, this is the question from NCERT exemplar. So this type of question we have done before, but there was one thing missing. Like the same term was there, but there was no square. Here you are having square, so there is no use of multiplication of conjugate. We will be directly expanding the square. So a plus b minus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta is the expansion of the numerator, and in the denominator I will get the expansion as so. Again sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Here also 1. So 1 and 1 is 2. 2 plus sin theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta upon 2 plus 2 sin theta plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta in the denominator. What I am observing, I have to rewrite it because I am getting 1 minus cos theta in the numerator in right hand side. So I will be rewriting it 2 minus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Similarly in the denominator 2 plus 2 cos theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. 2 is taken common in the first two terms. 1 minus cos theta is left. 2 sin theta, 1 minus cos theta is left. Whole upon 2 again common. 1 plus cos theta and 2 again common. 2 sin theta is common. So 1 plus cos theta. Finally, I can write as multiplication of two factors 1 minus cos theta into 2 plus 2 sin theta. Similarly, in the denominator 1 plus cos theta into 2 plus 2 sin theta. This is cancelled. Finally, 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to RHS. See, question number 40 is a tricky question. What are you observing? This expression, the value of this expression is given to you as 5. Like 3 sin theta and 5 cos theta addition. And इसी का vice versa होगा. Means the numbers, the numerical coefficients are interchanged, and instead of plus there is minus. So there is a specific way. So you have to remember this. What is given to you and what you have to find. You will be squaring both of them and adding. Both of the expression you will be squaring. Like 3 sin theta plus 5 theta cos theta का whole square करेंगे, और 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta का भी whole square करेंगे और इसको expand करेंगे. Right? So this इसको जब हम expand करेंगे तो इसका whole square open होगा, तो ये होगा 9 sin square theta plus 25 cos square theta plus 15 2 जा 30 sin theta cos theta. A plus b whole square से open कर दिया है, and similarly 25 sin square theta plus 9 cos square theta minus 30 sin theta cos theta. Here this is cancelled, and next expression, here I will be substituting the value of 3 sin theta plus 5 cos theta as 5. So it is 5 square plus this I have to find, and here 25 and 9 is 34 sin square theta plus 34 cos square theta. 25 is here and 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 34 common sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 25 plus 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is equal to 34. Finally, 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is 34 minus 25, that is equal to 9. So 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta whole square is 9. So 5 sin theta minus 3 cos theta will be under root of 9, or I can write plus minus 3. So this trick you have to remember. See, this question is of similar type. Again, what you are observing, sin and cos is there and the numerical coefficients are interchanged, and instead of plus there is minus. So again, what you will be doing, what is being given to you and what is being asked, you have to square both and expand and add and then expand. So this is sin theta plus yani a plus b whole square you will be using. So this is 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin theta cos theta. Here 4 sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 4 sin theta cos theta. So this is again cancelled. So 4 cos square theta plus 1 is 5 sin square theta plus 5 cos square theta. Here I will be substituting the value as 1 and 2 sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So 2 sin theta minus cos theta whole square, here it is 1 and 5 will be taken as common, sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1, so it is 5, and 2 sin theta minus cos theta whole square is 5 minus 1, that is 4, and 2 sin theta minus cos theta whole square, that is equal to 4, and 2 sin theta minus cos theta will be equal to plus minus 2, and here is given 2, so we will be writing it as 2. Hope you have understood all the questions based on lots, and if this video deserves a like, kindly smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.